to my channel. I have a fantastic book for review, which is called The Great Treehouse War. It's kids versus parents in an epic standoff, but who will come out on top? This book is an amazing book, and the author is Graff. Basically, here's a recap. So, basically, this girl in here, Winnie, it actually comes with all of these. So, there is a lot of characters. So, the main character, Winnie, her parents were getting really mad, so they split it up. And in the middle, they built a tree house for Winnie to live in. So since there was only 7 days, so 2 days for her mom, 3 days for mom, 3 days for her dad, and 1 day where she stays alone. The 3 days are with her mom, and then the other days are with her dad. So, basically, Winnie used to live in a tree house until she got very upset when they still complained, so she ended up making a new rule saying that I will not come down until I get what I want. And then the Tulip 10, aka the kids, her friends also wanted to come up to the treehouse for the same thing, even though they had different things. So, for example, let me give you one person. Lyle. He likes to polish teeth. He loves teeth. He loves everything about teeth. And I think that's very weird. But his cousin keeps on snatching his teeth collection. So he wants to go up with a tree house so that he can polish his tooth collection. And then there's Squizzy, because he can't read. And then there is Joe's, who has no internet. And then the other. This book is a great book because it's filled with laughter. I mean, laughter. It's super fun to read. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye!